Ladies and gentlemen, what do we crave most? We crave most what we don't have. Table master, President and fellow Gavanians. Today, my topic is about jam in the hand is better than pie in the sky. First of all, I'll give an introduction about the topic and define the words in the topic. Then I'll give you examples to prove my fact that why I justify this topic. Then I'll give a conclusion. So, what do I mean when I say jam in the hand is better than pie in the sky? This is a metaphorical topic, and I mean, do you know how do you make pie? According to my humble knowledge, you take jam is one of the main ingredients to make pie. So, jam is a raw ingredient we have to make pie. So, jam is something what we possess now, which can be used to achieve pie, which is the optimal goal of the life. So, simply, I am trying to speak about the topic of prioritizing in our life, whether should we care about the thing we have now, then plan it and achieve our optimal goal, or should we just dream about the optimal goal and just ignore what we have? Ladies and gentlemen, why do we always cry when a person dies, especially when a person who is very close to you dies? Because we understand the importance of that person only in the absence of that person. That's always have been the nature of humankind. Of course, when your mother dies, you have the saddest feeling in your life because she was one of the closest person in your life, and when you lose her, you feel very sad. On the contrary, when your wife dies, okay, then that's very subjective because some people would be happy, some people would be sad. However, in the end of the day, if the wife was a close person to you and if the wife meant something for you, then you would be sad. It's the same on the other side with the husband. So, my dear friends, we have to first have a pie to reach the optimal goal. So, pie, I'm not trying to say that pie is not important. We shouldn't have an optimal goal. We should just use what we have. What I'm trying to say, we should first set our optimal goal. Then, use what we have to gain it. Now, let's go to another example. A student coming into Sri Jagannath University. What is his or her optimal goal? His or her optimal goal in general perspective is to get a degree and pass out from the university as a graduate. So, you can't be from the first semester itself coming to lecture, sleeping in the lecture, playing games in the lecture, texting your boyfriend or girlfriend in the lecture, and going home, sleeping, playing games on the computer, watching TV series, watching Korean dramas, and next day get up and do the same routine till the exam, and you get 1 month or at least 2 weeks of study leave for the exam, and you dare to do the same thing again, the same routine, and the day before the exam you have this much amount of books to study, and you are not a robot to scan the book and get everything inside. So you have to read it, which is impossible. Then you go to the exam and you fail the exam and you lose your optimal goal. So, dear friends, what was the jam and what was the pie? Pie was passing the exam in order to achieve that optimal goal. The jam was the time we had and we wasted the time. Until the exam, until the day night before the exam, you are like, you don't care time. On that night, you realize how precious is time, how precious this time, how precious is the jam you have, what you possess, the time, the moment you lose what you possess, you will realize the value of it. Let's take another example. This is a very typical example, especially for one few members here who really want to achieve this optimal goal of getting a girlfriend or a boyfriend. Now, getting a girlfriend or a boyfriend is the optimal goal, which is the pie. And what do you have? What is the jam? Any guesses? What would be the jam to get a girlfriend or boyfriend? Come on, guys or girls, any guesses? My time is running out. Anyone? Ask out. Okay. Ask out, quite close. Anyone else? What is the jam?
You just turn back and look, there are some people who actually like you.
Okay. Now we got that answer. Look, your optimal goal is to get a girlfriend. And you try go behind a person who you think which is the most beautiful, whatever the characteristic you want. While you have others who likes you. So you are ignoring whatever you have. Ignoring whatever you have. So what about the person who likes you? That individual might be really in love with you, but wouldn't come and tell it in front of your face. So jam is important. Remember that today when you sleep, do not stop, do not dream about the pie in the sky. Dream about how to utilize the jam you have in order to achieve the pie in the sky. Thank you.